confrontation.
Yeah. I got it. True. Hey, what's your name, lady?
Oh, you recorded me?
I'm recording you.
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Florencia Hunt, also known as Flo.
All right. And where you from?
I'm from St. Martin, beautiful island. Where's St. Martin?
St. Martin.
Yeah.
Caribbean.
That's
what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead. You ain't got to stop. Keep working out. Keep moving.
Oh, thank you.
Keep moving. Don't you stop. Hey, if someone's going to take you out on a date, had you rather have them buy you food or drinks?
Oh, that's a good question. Do not buy me any drinks. Keep your drinks. I need food.
Oof.
Feed me.
Y'all gonna go broke. We try to feed this one.
Eat you out of house and home.
She sure will. That's for sure. God.
The drinks don't do anything for me. I'd rather chew my food than to swallow my food.
There you go.
Oh, calories.
Get that set. Question. So how old are you?
Me, 47.
47?
Usually women don't like telling the age.
All right.
I'm confident.
All right, then what's your weight then?
My weight is about 156 pounds. I'll tell you everything.
Damn, it's 156. Okay.
I'm open.
I know you open.
I'm open, book.
I know you are.
Why the age and the weight?
Because people ask. They're going to ask.
Really?
Always do. YouTube, always want to know.
Well, hey.
And you're going to find out. They're going to ask.
Well, what other questions you got for me?
Single or what?
It's complicated.
It's complicated. Good answer. Good answer.
My counselor was already out.
Hey, lady, do you like working out?
Excuse me, sir?
Do you like working out?
Oh, I'm addicted to working out.
You're addicted. What does it do for you?
It pushes me to a whole nother level. I let the weights try to beat me, and I fight back.
Does it ease your mind and all that stuff? Helps you get a good day going?
It does.
All right. I see you took your shirt off, ma'am. Does that make you feel better? Or that you're flexing on everybody in here? Do you think you're better than everyone else in here or something?
Not at all. I just couldn't breathe in the shirt, so I took it off.
You just took it off. Good answer. Good answer. What you think about today's society? Has it changed?
Tremendously.
Yep. Gotcha. We ain't gotta say how, but I'm just saying.
A lot of things are not valued anymore, I believe, in life. Even the small things we take for granted.
I'm sorry about that. Just got distracted.
I know you
but
you can't stay focused. It's okay.
I'm trying to stay focused.
ADHD. It's
Yeah, I
all
do. Get your set, girl. Have you ever had a stalker?
A stalker? I don't believe so.
Ever had a stalker?
I don't believe so.
You ever had a secret admirer in the gym?
I wouldn't know. He's a secret.
Oh boy.
There you go.
Question for you. I know you, and I know you're pretty good. Why do you hate and try to avoid confrontation so much? Because you know me, I welcome it. But you...
Because it's not worth it. All you get out of it is self-satisfaction. And I don't thrive off of that. I thrive off of me being able to control myself and my emotions. I can walk away.
I got you. But for me, it's not self-satisfaction. It's to satisfy that person who starts that confrontation. Let them know, don't ever try this again. I'm not going to put up with it. That's just me. But I understand your point as well.
It's about proving a point, though. You're trying to prove to that person that don't test me again.
Right.
I could prove that to that person by just turning my back because it takes two to tango.
But you know what? The quickest way is just like your parents' way. Did you ever get spanking growing up?
Facts.
Your parents beat that ass. You learn instantly. You ain't gonna do that again.
Nope, I did not.
It works.
Actually, not me.
No spankings.
I got it again. And then tomorrow I turn around and say not to do it, and I got spanking again. I did it again.
You spank that ass right, they won't do it again.
Oh, trust me, I got spanked really good.
All right. Her dad would spank her so bad that she would do it again. I'm telling her, if she got a good country ass whooping, she ain't gonna do it again. I'm just telling you ain't. I never did it again.
There are some people that just continue to test
Yo,
the
dad.
water.
Listen here, your dad, he loved them daughters. You ain't get no beating, Flo. He was generous, I'm telling you.
He was generous.
He was not trying to hurt you, I promise you.
All right.
You was a little girl, it seemed like it was bad.
No, I disagree.
Oh, totally not. He ain't gonna hurt his little girl. No. He ain't gonna fool me on that one. And I'm gonna ask him in person when I see him.
You got it.
Hey, Miss Flo.
Yes.
How do you tell a man that you're not interested in having sex when he keeps going? You know, you women will do certain things. You say your stomach hurt. What do you do when you want a man that, or unless you just like to have it all the time?
Man, I avoid seeing the person, period, so I don't have to answer.
Okay,
I just don't see him.
gotcha.
So now I have to hurt his feelings, because if I hurt his feelings, then he's gonna feel like, his ego, man got an ego issue.
Gotcha.
So I prefer to just distance myself and say, I'm busy.
Makes sense. Thank you, Flo. I appreciate that one.
Now, there's some people deserve a real bad answer now. Especially if you're not right.
Ooh.
I would just say, today is not a good day.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Look over there. Lift the weight. You're the listener. Shit with an ear jacket. Do you having a problem giving a woman a compliment? Say if she got a nice booty, nice ass, nice physique, will you let them know, or do you just say it from a distance?
No. I would actually walk up to them. If the outfit looks good, I compliment on the outfit. If they have a nice body, I compliment on their body. Whatever it is, it's about positivity for me. So, yes, if you walked out your house and you put it together, I'm going to give you that compliment.
Good answer. Appreciate it. I agree with that. How do you deal with excuses? I know you're a trainer too, so.
I can't do excuses. Excuses is just a reason for you to give me for you not to do it. So I'm not doing excuses.
Bye, go. God damn.
And another reason I don't give excuses is because I don't compare myself to people. But after what all I go through, you can't sit here and tell me that you cannot do it, because I do it also. Now, we all are different levels, but don't say you can't try.